Okay, good morning everyone. So, anito karon para ato i-discuss ang Laravel. So, I know you have already some knowledge about Laravel. Do ato siya i-discuss lamang pati sa Laravel. So, basically, Laravel is a PHP framework that uses the MVC architecture or model view controller. So, I assume na we have already the web server installed. So, ang ato gigamit device is about SAMP or XAMPP. But sa kung workstation dre I'm using Mac, so it's quite different though. Ang pag-build ng Laravel, it's the same naman though. Different lang siya operating system. So, to start with, so muna yung Laravel, we have the documentation. So, na-adre tanan. So, ang ato i-discuss karon is unsa pag-install kang Laravel. So, nata terminal diri So in Windows you will use CMD, di ba? But for me sa Mac is using the terminal. So ako naman gi-discuss kung asa sa makita ang SAMP, di ba? Makadata sa C, SAMP, then htdocs. Pero sa ako adiri I'm using herd folder. So tapos ako herd sorry. Um, okay. Okay, so pag-install sa Laravel, go to say getting started, installation. So, we're using the composer. So, I assume na napod may composer na install sa inyo ha, which I believe I've already discussed the previous na to na discussion. So, how to install the using composer in Laravel. Okay. Okay. So, just only type composer, create, project, Laravel, dash Laravel. So, for me, we're going to test the project test app. So, ma-download na siya. So, kinahanglan natay internet connection pag mag-install kita ng Laravel project sa to ang local o sa tong workstation. Kung wala ta internet, so dili siya maka-download og na source code ng Laravel itself. So, ulatan na nato until mahuman sila. Okay. Okay. So, it's done. So, in order to check if na-install na ba itong Laravel, so ato right check kung na ba itong ato ang folder or project. So, for my end, anong test app. So, ikon Windows ta, matata sa C, htdocs na folder. Then, tanaw na to kung na-install na ba itong folder project na to gi-create. Using the composer, create command, create project. So, on my end, so in order to run, para mapadagan na to, so ato na siya PHP artisan serve. Oh, sorry, makadto pa dahil kita sa to ang folder or project na tag-create. So, PHP artisan serve. Okay. So, ato na daw ni siya copy. So, check 27.0.0.1 port 8000. Okay, so nadagan na itong Laravel. So this is the basic default. Or pwede pod mo diretso nag localhost 8000. Design mo na siya. Okay, so that's it. It's the installation. So ang pag-install. So I do hope na naka-install na karon sa to ang Laravel application or Laravel project. So next ako na video, ako i-discuss din sa ano to pag-create ng layouts and views. So thank you.